AC power cord. This 10 feet, 3 m, 18 Aruban Florins flexible computer power cable with NEMA 5-15P and IEC 60320 C13 connectors is suitable for workstation home office use, rated to carry 125 volts at 10A. Performance and safety. UL listed, UL62 UL817, fully molded strain relief connectors for durability, 3 conductor power cable made from 100% copper wire, fire rating, VW1. Specs. 10 feet, 3 m, power cable, NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320 C13, 18A WG, 125 volts 10A, max, jacket rating, SVT, jacket material, PVC, color, black, temperature range, 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 to 60, cable outer diameter, 0.25 inches, 6.3 millimeters. Compatibility. NEMA 5-15P works with North American electrical outlets, IEC C13 connector works with most desktop computers, and many monitors, scanners, printers, and more. Replacement PC power supply cable cord. The IT Pro's choice. Designed and built for IT professionals, this computer power cord is backed for life, including free lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance. This C13 power cord is available in other lengths. Top reviews from the United States. As advertised. What can I say? It's a cable. Quality seems fine. Works fine. As advertised.